people are talking about a shift in human evolution. What is driving this shift? And how do we steer it in a positive direction? Will it be primarily a spiritual shift, as many in the New Age believe? Will it be a purely scientific and technological shift, as many transhumanists and AI developers believe? Or will these two approaches somehow meet and work together to uplift the Earth to a more balanced and advanced future? The answers to these questions truly rest in our hands. One thing is for sure, achieving such a balance will require a core shift in how we think, act, and relate. In other words, a paradigm shift. Paradigm shifts are what lead us to revolutionizing our way of life. Thomas Kuhn, the author of The Structure of Scientific Revolution, said that when paradigms change, the world changes with them. Can we retrain our way of thinking and living away from old programming into being truly open and attuned to a new paradigm of reality? Yes, we can. One of the challenges that we're encountering, though, is that even in this age of quantum physics, string theories, and multiverse cosmology, human thought is still very much stuck in a Newtonian way of operating. The way we perceive and approach problems has been heavily influenced by outdated paradigms that are no longer suitable for the fast-paced and uncertain world of today. In this regards, Thomas Kuhn also said all significant breakthroughs are break-withs old ways of thinking, but also that we must replace an old paradigm with a new one. Fortunately, a new vision for how we relate to the world is emerging, and it is based on the quantum view of reality. So let's take a look at these two paradigms, Newtonian versus quantum, and how they differ. The Newtonian paradigm is based upon the ideas of determinism, separatism, reductionism, and materialism. In essence, this says that everything can be isolated and reduced to its individual parts, which must function in a linear, logical, clockwork way. It says that things should be predictable and controllable, and it cuts us off from spirit and choice. And it encourages separation, which fuels ego and greed. We don't need to look far to see how this old paradigm has led to a world out of balance. What about the quantum paradigm? What is it? And can it help us improve our situation? In a quantum view, things are complementary, contextual, conscious, and connected. These quantum principles turn the Newtonian paradigm completely on its head. Now, while strange and exotic, quantum theory is the most successful physics theory we have today. We live in a quantum universe, from the smallest of particles to the